While there are over 60 national parks in the United States, there are fewer than half that number of national estuaries. Tampa Bay is one of those few gems. Tampa Bay Estuary Program is working with you and your community to protect this precious resource. For hundreds of years, indigenous tribes and later early settlers lived in harmony with nature and enjoyed the generous bounty of Florida's waters. By the middle of the 20th century, nature had become overwhelmed. The first Earth Day began a decades-long effort to restore the health and beauty of Tampa Bay, and now we all understand the importance of protecting it. Tampa Bay Estuary Program is proud to continue this legacy by working closely with local communities, making Tampa Bay cleaner and healthier for you, your family, and everyone who visits or calls Tampa Bay home. Let us show you how.